Mappy Music by Julian Miguel Trevillano. In music, there are a strong beat and the big beats. Beats with this mark are strong beats, and with no marks are big beats. And divide the beats into groupings of the two beats and use the vertical lines. Next slide. This is the example of 2 by 2 by 2. Okay. When the beats are grouping of the twos, and the beats is the strong beat, and the second beat is the big beat. Okay. Kung ganito, imagine niyo, kung magawa kayo ng music, into beats yun siya. Into beats, mga kung kumanta ka or mga beats na gagamitin kang halimbawa Johnny, yes papa, okay, gagamit yan ng dalawang beats or dalawang beats, depende yan siya sa group ng music. Let's proceed. Beats into 4. When the beats are in your groupings of 4s, that first beat is the strong beat, and the second, third is, and the fourth beat are the weak beats. Okay, ganito yan. Kung magawa ng music, meron tayong beats. Okay, next lesson, mape about texture. Okay, what is about texture? About your touch or your example, my skin. What do you feel in your skin? That's a texture or touch or sense of touch. Okay. Texture is the other element of art that refers to visual feel of a surface into pursue redness and or softness of an object. The texture is the quality of the surface of a work or from how the materials were using in it is the surface of materials. Okay, sense of touch. Ginagalaw yung ating butis or paano sense of touch listen again. Texture is about sense of touch. Okay, surface is to use in is the surface of material. Okay, that refers to pursue the feel of a surface. It is the pursue redness and or softness on our object. The texture or the quality of surface. Okay, this is the new lesson this afternoon. Do you understand the topic this afternoon about music? Next slide. About texture for beats and about music. Okay, thank you for watching. That's many learn in my lesson this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my video. Thank you.